Victoria, and in this video I'm going to show you how to request feedback using CharacterScope. If you log into your home page, select My Journey, and that will take you to your personal sessions wheel. If you've already completed session 1, your strength mapping, and session 2, your solo report, the platform will automatically guide you on to session 3 to collect feedback from other people. And you can go back to those previous sessions at any time, but for now, let's start session 3. We'll guide you through the session in the same way as the previous sessions 1 and 2. You're in complete control of this and you can go at any speed you like, taking in the information. It also works really well on mobile. And you'll be able to see a sample report, so an example of the kind of information that you'll get back when people respond to your feedback requests. There's some advice on who to turn to, so it can be former colleagues, current colleagues, or friends and family. And later on, you'll get the opportunity to create custom reports so that you can see how different people see you in different areas of your life. More on that on our YouTube channel. Do take a look. We suggest you invite at least 6 people to give you feedback. And you can do that here in the session. So there's 3 ways to invite. You can simply type in an email address here and hit send. It's a great way of keeping track of who you've invited. You can come back and check at any time who's responded and who hasn't. The only downside is that because it's being sent via the platform, it can get caught up in spam filters. So if you prefer to send something yourself, click on send an invitation link yourself. And in here, you can either copy this unique link to your clipboard and send via Slack or MS Teams, for example, or you can use this email icon here, which will open up your mail system and send that link along with some sample text that you can send to people. And that's the end of the session. So it's just a case now of sitting back and waiting for people to reply. You'll get an email from the system each time someone responds. And once you've got 2 pieces of feedback, you'll be able to access your report. So session 4 will guide you through the results and you'll get a full report as well. And that'll update every time you get feedback. So you can come back in and invite more people at any time. If you don't want to work through the session again, I'll show you another way of requesting feedback. From your home page, if you go to your profile menu, you'll see a dashboard like this, and once you've got some feedback in here, this will look slightly different, but you will have this button here which will just open the invite system. So a really quick way, if you think of anyone that you'd like to invite, maybe you're having a conversation with someone and you'd like to ask them for their point of view, you can simply just open that, send an email. It's exactly the same as in the session. I hope you found that helpful. If you'd like to be notified about any other videos in this series, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on notifications.